Juan and Maria from GeniusLab. I'm Rafael Mizrahi from Feng-GUI. Very excited to do this short interview with you. So we'll have like a 15 minutes interview to showcase what you are doing in your business, of course, and what value you bring to your customers, and also how and why are you using Feng-GUI as a additional tool in your services to your customers. So please tell us about your business and about your services.
Well, yeah, so hi, Rafael, and thank you for having us today. It's a pleasure for us to be here. We are GeniusLabs. We are a market research company, and we help companies understand the behavior of people through our products. So what we do is we try to make it cheaper, faster, and better for people to do their market research.
Okay, so how are you using Feng-GUI? How do you incorporate this kind of predictive analytics of eye tracking and effective of efficiency of design into your service?
Yeah, absolutely. So, when we are evaluating images, obviously we're looking for different ways to check our advertising. And Feng-GUI has a mix for us to be able to evaluate indoor images, outdoor images, magazines, amongst other. So every time that I've worked with Feng-GUI, the results have been the best.
Okay, so as you're saying, what kind of stimuli, what kind of visuals are you testing? Is it package design or billboards or indoor signage? What kind of?
Yeah, exactly. Mostly packaging generally. What else can you think of?
No, I think the package is the 90% every time we are evaluating. But sometimes we check with magazines and advertising in the magazines with Feng-GUI.
Okay, so what kind of, describe how is it to work with Feng-GUI? So what do you insert into the tool and what are you doing? You're comparing a few variations, you're verifying key messages of the vendor or the, so how do you use the tool to measure efficiency of package design?
We try always to compare two images because it's easier to explain the customer what happened when you use the name down of the image or up. It depends of the image, but I like to compare the image. Can you?
Yeah, it's always better for us when we try to compare two samples that we're given because it's easier for people who are taking the survey or analyzing the image to see the difference and understand the variations. And also when we are delivering the results to our client, it's easier for us as well to explain the difference between the results obtained from the survey and the analysis of the images.
Yeah, we get that a lot. So many times Feng-GUI is using the market research like yourself as a supportive argument. So it's not only I think like that here. We have an unbiased source that also think that this headline maybe is too small, and this other headline has better.
Exactly. Yes.
Mm-hmm. So you're using it to compare variants of the same product or
Yes.
competing product.
Well, generally variants of the same product. To be honest, okay. That's what we do generally, yes.
So I have another question here is, what results do you get from working with us? I mean, how does it improve your business?
Yeah, well, as we were saying before, we're a market research company, and when we have samples where we must evaluate different, well, images, videos, whatever it is, it's easier for us to use Feng-GUI. It's the best ally for us. It's so easy to use. The platform never crashes. It's always available. So we're really happy with this partnership that has started. We're really happy with the results. Clients are happy with the results we're providing them with. And you know, now we can also check videos and analyze videos with you. So it's really becoming the best tool for us to resolve requests from our clients.
Okay, thank you so much for your kind words. And of course, we will continue to improve and add more features into the product. One of the biggest things that we are trying to shift more is give you more insights and even more recommendations. So, you know, we want software and artificial intelligence and machine learning. We want those robots to do most of the work for us, and only us to take the information and do with it something with maybe to bring it to our customers. So what I'm saying is we're trying to put more effort into giving you more insights and give you more tips and recommendations that you can take with you to the customer. So that's the next features that we're working on.
That sounds great. Sounds great. Looking forward to seeing that.
Yeah. So a little bit of that is already inside, but it's not delivered quite properly. So you have in the visual features table. So you have few columns of the red, green, and the blue, yellow, and how much noise you have in that area of interest. So these are part of the ingredients that we give. That together they combine the visibility score of that area. So we're actually giving you part of the formula that together become the visibility score. So let's say, for example, the intensity part. So if you see that the intensity is low, and you want to increase the visibility of this area, so maybe you should increase the intensity. So it's just, so right now it's like hints. So we will take those hints and convert them into suggestions. So it will be easier for you to understand those hints.
Perfect, cool, sounds super.
How likely would you recommend this tool to a colleague, maybe not to a competitor?
Well, we are very likely to recommend it to non-competitors of ours because we do not want more people like us.
Yeah, we work in Colombia and South America.
Yeah, we're working in Colombia and South America. We can actually reach any part of the world. But yeah, we're very likely to recommend it. And I think that's why we're here today to recommend it to anyone who's watching. It's a really fantastic service. And it's very fast, it's constantly updating, just as you were saying before. So yeah, we're really happy.
And
I think that your platform is very different to others. Like VAS is very different because you always are updating the platform. So I receive different results between 1 year and the next. So I think your platform is perfect for market research and evaluate the image. Okay.
Okay, so thank you very much, Juan and Maria. Very exciting.
Thank you.
No, thank you, Rafael, for help to improve our business. Thank you very much.
Thank you, goodbye.
Thank you, goodbye.